Hey guys, welcome to Trading Learners YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of my recent intraday trade in Reliance. I'm basically a price action trader. I don't use any indicators as such. For intraday, I look at first, daily chart, and I'll identify whether stock is trading near overbought zone or oversold zone. Is it a trending or sideways? And then I'll come to the lower time frame, especially last 3 days price action. Okay, based on last 3 days price action, I'm going to take my trading decisions. Come, let's see how I took my trading decision. Since stock was trading near 52-week high and also after that significant rally. So come, let's see how I took that intraday trade on 11th of June. I was ready with all the analysis. If the stock trades below the 50% of the last 3 days range, that is the below 1574, I'm going to be a bearish. I'm going to sell the stock. So let's see what happened on Thursday morning. Guys, that particular day, it was a gap down. I was waiting for a shorting opportunity. I want a low risk opportunity. I was just waiting patiently. So let's see what happened the first half an hour price action. I was waiting. I'm seeing the price action of first half an hour. Always I look at least 15 to 30 minutes price action. It was, if you notice, the first 30 minutes price action, it was trading within the range of the first 5 minutes bar. Suddenly the breakdown happened. That is again confirming a shorting opportunity, and then I took a decision of going short, where exactly I was waiting for a pullback to the breakdown area. That is, I just canned my trade over here, and my stop loss was very precise. I kept over here, and my target also I kept somewhere here. The RR was around more than a 2:1. I was very comfortable with the trade because it was confirming my view. It is trading below last 3 days range, and also it's broke the first 30 minutes range with a very decent volume. Now I am in the trade. I'm waiting for the pullback, so I'm waiting for the pullback to that breakout area, and that is a breakdown area. So let's see what happens for next couple of bars. Yes, let's see. Yes, I got an entry. I got an entry, and also it is a retested that breakdown area. After a couple of bars, it went and retested. And look at that, the moment it came, that breakdown area, look at the rejection, inverted hammer. And the price was the trading within the range again. It struck in the range. Finally, I got an opportunity. I got my target. Finally, I got my target. And then you look at this. After this big bar, and after these two big bars, I noticed the further moment, downward momentum. And what I done is I took my second trade I planned my second trade. Just a second. I planned my second trade somewhere same. It was also a pullback trade. A trade somewhere here. I was very clear about the trend. I was expecting the target is the below swing point. So let's see what happened the price. Yes, I got an entry. Look at the rejection. If your zones are correct, if your entry points are correct, you can see this kind of a bar. So look at that. The moment it broke, within few ticks missed my stop loss. That is confidence. If you are right, yes, this kind of a bar will reconfirm you are right in the direction. Okay, again the rejection, as and when it goes to the range, this particular range is broken down. Finally I got a second target also. The second trade also hit the target, and my both the trades got target. In both my trades I got my target. So finally I quit that particular day. I did not take any more trades, but the price action follows, and the stock closed low of the day, close to low of the day. So if you look at the price again, it came and retested near this big bar. It's a very good around 60 to 70% retracement, and then it broke down the range, and then it was trending downwards. Let's see what happened that particular day, finally where it closed. Yes, day is done. Yes guys, this is the power of price action trading. If you are in the right direction, keep waiting and you will get a very good trades. And the beauty of the price action is you will get a very good RR. Okay, what happened in indicator based trading, even to confirm your indicators, it takes few points, right? And it will not give you right RR. But if you look at the price action, yes, you will enter the very precise levels with a tight stop loss. You will get a very good RR. That is the beauty of price actions, and also it is very clear. Okay, so hi guys, in coming videos I'm going to discuss a lot of uh, price action trades and price action strategies I'm going to discuss. Please subscribe my channel, and also if you like this video, please comment and also share. Thank you.